Hey y'all, I'm back. But seems like I got a lot of shadows on this side, so I switched my camera around. So we're gonna see if this is pretty decent. So I'm making the tiger eye and black tourmaline and citrine bracelet right now for my great nephew. I guess they're great nephew, but anyway. So this time I'm using a light, heavier stretch cord. This is like a 1.0 Crystal Tech, and I got this from Timu, which I really love. I had two, but I can't seem to find but one. So we're gonna put that right there. So I need to figure out where it's at, and we're gonna, do the little ouch stretch. Y'all give me a minute. I gotta ease back into this, okay? I'm like a fish out of water. Okay. So on this one, like I said, he's getting a tiger eye and the citrine and black tourmaline. Now those energies line up perfect together, and he's like born underneath the sign of a Taurus. Taurus the bull, and yeah, he definitely does have a bull head. He is really stubborn, thick-headed. So this should kind of, with his energetic value, help calm him down, because the citrine, like I said, is for prosperity, and the black tourmaline is like for protection, peace, and security of self. So that's what the black ones are. Yeah, I think this side better, guys. But right now I got the sunlight shining in, and we got shadows. So we're gonna see how this video do. But I like the clarity from the other video. You know what? I might have to move my lights around. That's what I'm gonna do, because I'm comfortable working from my right side since I'm right-handed. See, that didn't take long at all, did it? I just got to, like I said, flow back in it. So this is what I'm coming up with so far. This video here be great for the newbies, for people who deciding that they want to bead and they unsure about it. There's nothing to be unsure about. Life is like a piano. You just play the chords, guys. So this is what I've come up in. This is a 7.5 inch, while I did her a 7 inch. And I like that. Why didn't I think to design these pieces like this before? I like these. The different, shapes of the stones and matching the different images together. Yes, I'm in love with this. And this one I'm going to tie really, really tight, because like I said, I don't have any glue. Normally I put glue, but since I've been gone, I'm getting so many different ideas, guys. So many different ideas. And, just coming into my own, little designs. And, just doing me and just doing this now. So much. I've been on my other page learning YouTube, because I'm here doing these YouTube videos, and all I was doing is filming and putting up the videos. And there's things that you have to do. You have to, go into your dashboard, studio, and update things, update it, and I can have mine updated. Yeah. But I still think I want to change my banner as soon as I figure that out. And I got people, reaching out to me, helping me, telling me, with the SEO. search engine optimization. So I'm, I'm learning how to do this. I'm gonna do one more time because this bead right here, I just put a regular wooden black bead in there with a big hole in it. I'm doing things as simplified as possible these days. I hope this video is good, guys. And it feels good to be back. Hit me and let me know what you think in the comments, guys. And if you miss me, let me know if you miss me in the comments. You know how, was it Jamie Foxx or Martin Lawrence said, did you miss me? Let me know if you missed me. So that was a quick one. And you just cut.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. Naked. I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to do. Brain makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do.